Hello, I'm Paul McConnell from the McConnell Family Law Group, and I'm going to talk to you briefly about what to expect during your initial divorce consultation. If you're considering divorce, you already know that ending a marriage involves a significant amount of stress. Working with an experienced, strong, yet compassionate divorce attorney can help reduce that stress. Not eliminate it, but reduce it and help control it. A significant contributing factor for stress is fear of the unknown, and this is a factor that can be controlled to a large degree. So let's talk about what to expect during your initial consultation if you're contemplating divorce. The first hour with an attorney will be perhaps the most informative and productive of any time you spend on your matter. You should expect that you're going to feel a variety of emotions. While your initial divorce attorney consultation will likely only last about an hour, but during that time, you'll be sharing a short version of what's happening at home. Don't be surprised if you feel sadness or fear or anger as you describe your situation. A good attorney knows that you're doing something extremely difficult, and he or she will be ready to listen and offer you sound counsel. Expect to discuss personal matters. If your attorney is going to advocate for you, he or she needs to know that all the relevant background and information. It may be difficult for you to discuss infidelity or abuse or drug or alcohol use and other personal details with someone you've just met, but your attorney will be better able to help you if you're candid when describing yours and your spouse's family history. A good attorney isn't there to judge you, but rather to advocate for the best interests of you and for your children. We know that life is hard, and we all do things that we regret, all of us. Expect to discuss financial matters. An important part of every divorce is the equitable distribution of a couple's property. You should be prepared to briefly discuss your income, your assets, and your debts during your consultation. You should also try to anticipate what your financial needs will be while the divorce is proceeding, especially if you think that you may need to move out before divorce is final. Expect to discuss your goals. Before you meet with your attorney, think about the outcomes you want to achieve. If you have children, what do you want the custody arrangement to look like in general terms? Where do you plan to live during and after your divorce? Do you think that your spouse will need financial support or afterwards, or you will? Your attorney can help you define these goals and refine them, but it's important to come to the consultation with some idea of what you want to accomplish in the end. Your goals need not be that specific. And indeed, they really shouldn't be too specific until after you develop a relationship with an attorney and have a firmer understanding of what the law is and what's achievable. Expect to be treated with respect. Your attorney has an obligation to keep your private information confidential. Your attorney is your advocate and an ally during this difficult process. You should expect regular communication and honesty, even when your attorney must deliver information that you may not want to hear. Before, during, and after your divorce, you and your attorney are partners working together to try and achieve your goals. Your first divorce attorney consultation should be a barometer for your experience as a whole. You should feel a sense of trust and openness with your attorney right from the start. Divorce is stressful, but a trusting relationship with a knowledgeable advocate will mean you feel supported, informed, and set you on a path to finding peace through strength.